Have you ever wondered what Agile and Scrum are and how they can transform your work process? Dive with me into the realm of Agile, an iterative approach to software development that prioritizes flexibility, adaptability, and customer collaboration. Agile is all about delivering small, incremental releases of a product, fostering a cycle of continuous feedback and improvement. Now, let's shift our focus to Scrum, a popular kid on the Agile block. Scrum provides a structured yet flexible approach to product development. It's like a symphony of teamwork, accountability, and iterative progress where every note matters and every instrument plays a vital role. In the grand orchestra of Scrum, every iteration or sprint results in a potentially shippable product increment, creating a rhythm of regular, tangible progress. This process is underpinned by the principles of transparency, inspection, and adaptation, forming the heartbeat of empirical process control. Understanding these core concepts is the first step to embracing a more efficient, adaptable, and collaborative way of working. Let's dive deeper into the core concepts of Scrum. Scrum, at its core, operates on the principles of empirical process control, namely transparency, inspection, and adaptation. These principles are not just fancy buzzwords, but are integral to the Scrum philosophy. Transparency ensures that every team member has a clear understanding of the tasks at hand. Inspection allows for regular checks on the progress and quality of work, and adaptation empowers teams to change course when necessary, based on the insights gathered. Now let's talk about iterative development. In Scrum, a project is divided into small, manageable chunks known as sprints. These sprints typically last 1 to 4 weeks, and at the end of each, there's a potentially shippable product increment. This iterative approach allows for continuous improvement and adaptation, making Scrum a highly efficient and effective framework for product development. But who's responsible for what in a Scrum team? Well, there are 3 core roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. The product owner represents the stakeholders and is tasked with maximizing the value of the product. The Scrum Master, on the other hand, is a servant leader who facilitates Scrum events and removes any roadblocks. The development team, as the name suggests, is responsible for delivering the product increment. Scrum also defines 3 primary artifacts: the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and the increment. The product backlog is a prioritized list of features and requirements. The sprint backlog contains the tasks necessary to complete the sprint, and the increment is the sum of all completed product backlog items at the end of the sprint. And let's not forget about Scrum events. These include sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives. These events provide opportunities for the team to plan, inspect progress, gather feedback, and adapt their processes, keeping the spirit of empirical process control alive. These elements work together to create a framework that promotes transparency, inspection, and adaptation, driving efficient and effective product development. Now that we've covered the basics, you might be wondering how to practically implement these concepts. That's where 100 Degrees Global comes in. This renowned organization has carved a niche for itself in the realm of Agile coaching, specializing in imparting Agile principles and Scrum practices. 100 Degrees Global offers comprehensive coaching programs, meticulously designed to equip individuals with the requisite skills and knowledge that make a proficient Scrum Master. Their courses are a unique blend of theory and practice, providing a deep dive into the core concepts of Agile and Scrum, while also allowing for hands-on experience through interactive exercises, case studies, and real-world examples. At the heart of their coaching philosophy lies the concept of servant leadership. This approach fosters an environment where the Scrum Master, rather than asserting authority, serves as a facilitator, removing impediments and enabling the team to perform at its best. It is through this lens of servant leadership that 100 Degrees Global cultivates effective Scrum Masters. But it doesn't stop there. Effective communication is another cornerstone of their coaching. They firmly believe that clear, concise, and transparent communication is the lubricant that keeps the gears of an Agile team running smoothly. Their coaching techniques emphasize the importance of communication in managing the product backlog, conducting daily stand-ups, and facilitating sprint reviews and retrospectives. Moreover, 100 Degrees Global places great emphasis on the principle of continuous improvement. They instill in their trainees the understanding that Agile is not a one-and-done approach. It's a journey of constant learning, adapting, and improving in response to feedback and changing circumstances. Most importantly, their approach to coaching is highly collaborative and personalized. Recognizing that every individual and organization is unique, they tailor their coaching to the specific needs and challenges of each one. By partnering with 100 Degrees Global, you can gain the expertise and confidence needed to lead high-performing Agile teams and drive successful product delivery. So, if you're ready to embark on your Agile journey, 100 Degrees Global is here to guide your way.